Hey you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today we are going to keep things simple. We will be doing a retwist and simple styling on my daughter using the Loc N Gel. I did retwist most of her hair off camera just to save some time. If you guys are interested in any of the products I use to maintain my daughter's locks, you can pause this video really quick and check out her 4-month lock update. In that video, I share the products that I use to maintain her locks. So if you're looking for a in-depth video, be sure to watch that video after this one though. Finish watching this one first, then go ahead and check out her 4-month lock update. But in today's video, we will be talking about retwisting gels. I'm always receiving a lot of comments and DMs about what I am using to retwist my family's locks. And as always, I'm using the Loc N Gel. I really don't know why everyone always ask me what I use to retwist my family's locks, because it is always the Loc N Gel. Since I've started my lock journey, well, since my entire family has started our lock journey, we have always used the Loc N Gel. It's a great product to use for starter locks. It's formulated to have such an amazing hold that it reduces frizz, which is of course perfect for starter locks because you deal with a lot of frizz. Not only that, there has been times where I may have been a little bit too heavy-handed and I never had to deal with any flakiness or buildup. So that's always a plus for me. Another thing that I love is the shine it gives the locks. They look healthy, and most importantly, they do not feel greasy or weighed down. Because this is a heavier gel, you would think that it will leave the hair looking and feeling greasy, but it does not. And that's always another plus for me, because who wants locks that's going to be weighed down, feeling crazy? Oh, and my daughter is actually asleep at this moment. Her head is like being held up by my legs. So if you're a mom, then you kind of know. But yeah, right now we are struggling to get through this part. But again, I absolutely love this gel. Again, I use it in all my tutorials, like 90% of them. And yes, this is not sponsored. This is really coming from a customer standpoint. So I really hope this answer all your questions on what I use to retwist my family's locks, because it seemed like it will always be the Loc N Gel. And if anything ever changes, of course, I will let you guys know. But anywho, we're going to continue to struggle through this retwist while my child sleeps oh so peacefully. And yes, we're gonna move on to the styling, and the style is super easy. I don't usually style my daughter's hair because one, she doesn't care too much for styling, and two, her scalp is kind of sensitive, and so I don't like putting too much tension to her hair. So we're going to create this very fun, simple, loose style, perfect for anybody, adults, kids, it don't matter. Anybody can rock this look. And I'm going to show you how to dress up simple looks by adding fun accessories. So I'm going to finish prepping my daughter's hair by using some leave-in conditioner, and we're going to begin the styling. So we will be doing a half up, half down look. So I'm going to divide her lock. I will be taking all of the locks in the front and collecting them into a bun, while the rest of her hair is just free to do its own thing. So of course you want to grab the locks. Before collecting them into that bun, you want to unravel them, then twist them to the direction you want them to be, trying your best not to pull too tightly, because this is your foundation and you need to make sure you are caring for it, and you do not want to be constantly styling your hair in tight styles, because all you are doing is damaging your locks. And you may not see it right then and there, but I have done a lot of research on this. Now, I haven't experienced it myself, but I have done a lot of research, and I see a lot of professional locticians warning people about constantly styling their locks. You know, over time, it does thin your locks. So, you know, just a little 2 cents warning. But again, we're going to take this little cluster of locks and create a little bun. You guys know how to do that. It's the same thing you did to your little perm hair. You just take the hair and just wrap it around, create that swoop, tuck the ends. Just boom, tuck the ends. And yeah, you guys know how to do that. Then once all your ends are tucked, then you want to take a rubber band and secure it. You know, just like you did to your little sock bun. We all can relate. Once the style is nice and secure, you want to add your accessories. So if you guys are interested in this beautiful, beautiful crystal bobby pin, check out Beads for a Goddess. She has the most amazing jewelry for locks. She is super, super talented, and plus she's from Philly too, so you guys know I have to support. But we're going to wrap up this style by adding some mousse and some lock-in spray, and boom, we are done. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Be sure to check out the Loc N Gel and Beads for Goddess if you're interested. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.